Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and cute drawings. So first we are making drawing of a cute bear. First we are making the face and the body of the bear, and then we will make the eyes, nose and hands and the legs, and then we are going to color it with brown color sketch pen, and then you can see your beautiful teddy bear is ready. Now you can detail it even more if you want. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a bird sitting on a branch. Starting with the body of the bird, we will move ahead towards the detailing. We will make the eyes and the beak, and then we will make the branch on which he is sitting. And now you can color it with any color you want. Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of a flying bird. First we are making the feathers and the body. After that we are gonna make the eyes and the beak, and the bird is holding a cute message in his hand, and then we are going to color it with red color, and then it's ready. Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of a cute seal. First we are starting with making the body, and then we are going to draw the details. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a cute bird. First we are making body of the bird, and then we will draw the beak and the wings, and then we are making a heart in the middle of its hand, and it's ready. Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are making a bird which is upside down. Starting with the face of the bird, we will draw the details like eyes, beak and the wings, and it's ready. Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are making a paper bird. We are starting with making these 3D figures, and then you can see it is ready. Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are starting by making a cute pig. First we are making the face of the pig, and then we are drawing the details like eyes, nose, hands and then the body. Let's move ahead. Here we've used green glitter pen for making this cute cartoon with heart eyes which is pop out, and then we are detailing it, and it's ready. And now you can color it with any color. Let's move ahead. Here we are using some number technique. We are making 3 number 4 times which are horizontally made, and then we are making these figures and giving them different and cute expressions. Now we are detailing it with black marker only, and now you can see our bones are ready, and then we are highlighting with some color sketch pens, and now you can see they are looking more good and beautiful. Thanks for watching.